How to fix page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to Windows 10 or 11. So if you're facing this problem of page not available, then what you need to do first, you need to go for your search and then search for Windows security. Right click on it and then go for app settings. Under app settings, here you'll have this kind of interface where you need to go for the terminate option and click on terminate and then click on repair and then click on reset. And once you've done this, now you need to remove that. And next thing you need to make sure is you're not using any third-party applications. So to check that, you need to simply go for the bottom right, which has that arrow. Click on the arrow and here you need to check if you're not using any third-party applications of antivirus. So if you have, you just need to simply right click on there and then you need to go for exit and you need to exit that, or you need to simply uninstall that. And if that's not the case, then you just need to go for the search again and search for registry editor and right click on it or go for run as admin. Click on yes, and here you need to go for the upper side where you will have an option of H key user. Go for that. And once you're on the registry editor, you need to go for H key local machine and then you need to go for software. Under software, you need to go and search for policies. Double click on the policies and here you will have Microsoft. Double click on Microsoft and then you will have Windows. Double click on it. So here you need to go for search and search for GP edit. Under that you will have edit group policy. Click on that and here you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go for computer configuration and then go for administrative templates. And here on the right side you will have Windows components. Double click on it and then you need to go and search for Windows security. And here you will have virus and threat protection. Double click on it and once you double click on it, you will have two options. You need to simply go for the second, which is hide the virus and threat protection area. And you will have this kind of interface. And once you get this kind of interface, now if you have the option to enable or disable, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go for not configured. Make sure to click on this option and then click on apply and click on OK. And once you've done, now to update all of these, what you need to do is you need to simply search for CMD and go for run as administrator. Click on yes and you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter some code. And here you need to enter gp update space / force. Once you enter this, you need to hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, it will update the policy. You need to wait for some time. And once it says your user policy has been updated successfully, now your problem will be fixed. In order to work, what you need to do is you just need to simply go for the search and you need to go for the power button and go for restart. And once you restart it, your problem will be fixed. And now you will not have that problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.